We've all been there before, absolutely, completely, and utterly burned out. Because honestly, it's overwhelming keeping in touch with everything. Everything. Tweet, X, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. There are just so many. So I don't blame you if you want to turn it off. But is there a way back when you have turned it off? After you're born out, is there a way to come back? That's what today's video is all about. So, that was your time. Let's get right inside the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zainab Soleil. I am the host of Python Design Studio, we're a tech channel, and then it's our job to help you enjoy tech. Basically, anything tech, you will find us there. So if there's something you like, trust me, you should want to subscribe, like, leave a comment. You know those promotional things that they say, but really, seriously, do it. I've been there before. As an owner of Python Design Studio and my other personal brand, I have faced burnout several times. And I've not thought of quitting because I always know how to reset. I will always reset. Like, I don't mind taking a break, but not a break too long, but I would always reset. So how do you reset? How do you deal with a creative burnout? Now, this advice is not just for tech, but it is paramount to tech because obviously we're in a tech world. Do you want me to list on one finger how many apps we have in tech? Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, YouTube, LinkedIn, Threads. Am I done? Pinterest. Am I done? Vimeo. Oh my god. I'm not even getting to 10, but if you know any, remind me. What are the signs you're experiencing a tech burnout or a burnout? The first sign is decreased productivity. There's a noticeably decline in your productivity despite working long hours. Tasks that ordinarily you could manage before, you all of a sudden can't do it. I think I found myself getting burnt out a lot because normally I could design 2-3 websites in a week. Now, you couldn't even pay me to design it. Maybe because I have other sources now, but the point is, a burnout is a burnout. Another side is a lack of motivation. When you are feeling disengaged or apathetic towards your work, or your projects, or your goals, it can also include a loss of interest into new technologies, new skills. There was a period I was trying to learn Figma, and I was like, oh boy, not another learning. I'm not doing. I am reading for a cybersecurity exam, thanks to my elder sister. But I'm like, one more? No, I don't want to do it. But that's easy enough. Burnouts, they come up. Also, when you are irritated a lot or you are having impatience, becoming easily frustrated, short-tempered, irritable with colleagues, with clients, even yourself, that's a sign of a burnout. There was a time when a client I respected called me, said, Zainab, I'm seeing you so much on so and so. Why are you not doing this? And I was like, yo, sir, like, you don't want funding me. I realized that I was about to cross a line, but I didn't because I'm a good child. But the point is, that's what tech burnouts cost. That's what a burnout shows. When you also have difficulty concentrating, focusing on tasks or making decisions, even on routine or simple matters, it may indicate burnout related, something is about to happen. Physical symptoms can come as well, such as headaches, muscle tension, fatigue, change in your sleep pattern. Then you also have withdrawal and isolation. Withdrawing from social interaction, avoiding meetings and events is also a sign of burnout. It can come also from feelings of inadequacy, you're disconnected, or you just feel like you want to preserve your battery. There's this thing on social media now that they say, hey, my social battery is going down, Maybe you're just experiencing burnout and you need to reset. So how do you get your burst of creativity back? That's the whole point of this video. How do you get it back? I have a lot of friends always telling me, Zainab, how do you stay so consistent? We have been building websites for a while, and I know a bunch of my friends that have moved on to other things, or my colleagues, but no. But I think Python is almost counting, almost. If it is before our brand, I would say we've been 10 years in the game. I was tiny, but we've been doing this for a while. And it's not because we're not burnt out, it's just because we know how to come back, like I said. The first thing is create a ritual. Develop a personal relaxation ritual tailored to your interests and preferences, whether it is a bubble bath, a painting hobby, playing music, or spending time in nature, you should have a ritual. Find an activity that helps you unwind and make it a part of your routine. I think for me, one of my greatest things is that I really have to travel. Once I leave work and leave my guys in charge and I'm out, I'm back. I am very sensitive to my body and I'm like, hey, I can't deal with one more client. I'm out of this. And I go. So find a routine that helps you. Find time for yourself. Don't wake up and say, okay, if I don't finish this work, I will not have time for myself. Leave the work. Because if anything happens to you, that work is going to continue. So leave the work and continue doing what you are supposed to do, which is find time for yourself. The second thing is tech-free time. Dedicate specific periods of the day to disconnect from technology. Use this time to engage in offline activities such as reading a book, practicing a craft, or eating without your screen. I realize that is a very impossible request. But really, on a very serious note, disengage yourself from your phone. Sometimes I'll put my phone on Do Not Disturb the entire day. I know that thing, people don't like it, but I really do it a lot because when WhatsApp will ping you here, Messenger will ping you here, Facebook will ping you here, at the end of the day, you don't even have time for yourself, but when you're replying to a lot of people. So try to disengage yourself from it, and you'll find yourself back into your zone. Third one is create a comfortable workplace. Create a workspace, more or less, that promotes productivity and well-being. Personalize your workspace with items that bring you joy, such as plants, photos, and quotes. Invest in ergonomic furniture and equipment to ensure comfort and reduce your strain. I think this part is a very good advice because I really did have a lot of burnouts when I was always sitting down on one table. But when we set up my personal studio, I realized I needed something that felt like home to me. And then you can see quotes everywhere. And it has really helped me find my space. When I'm tired, I can come here for hours on end. And it would just be it will be the thing that sparked my interest back. So yeah, create a personal workspace for yourself that you would love and you love to come to. Okay, so you say, Zena, what if I don't have a personal workspace? We cannot help you. Try to get somewhere for yourself. It can be somewhere you go to. Before I had my studio, I used to frequent a tech hub somewhere. I know it is a video to avoid tech, but I go to the tech hub and I stay. Or sometimes I just play music. Just create something for yourself that helps you as a tech person to get yourself back. And then finally, set exciting and meaningful goals for yourself, both professionally and personally. Having goals to work towards can provide motivation and a sense of purpose. And you can break down your goals into larger and actionable steps. But having those goals will be like, okay, I can't remain in burnout if I know that I want to achieve this by this and by so and so. So, for example, now we have a goal that Pishon will hit 1,000 subs before the end of the year. Of course, I have no business being down and having a burnout. But if it happens, I would take these actionable steps and work. But it's not like these things are written in gold. It's just that you can come back from the thing. Just make sure you find a ritual, have a comfortable space, have friends that can help you. In fact, you can even leave tech for 2, 3, 4 years and leave it. It's not written in gold. It's just that this is the world we are in now and you have to find a space for yourself in it. Burnouts are inevitable, but making conscious effort to be productive and giving yourself time to breathe may be the solution that you have. So we cannot wait to see you back in tech society if you are one of these people that are having burnouts. So thank you for watching. If this is something you like, don't forget to leave a comment, like, and definitely subscribe because we need you. Anyways, cheers. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.